Okay, so we're going to look at counting and adding with small numbers to start with. So numbers that are below 10, and when we add them together we'll give a number that's below 10. So here we've got an example of such a sum where we've got 2 add 5 is 7. So the number 2 by here, number 5 by here, and when you put the two together gives us 7. So how do we go about doing this sum? Well, one of the best ways is to use your hands. So if I was doing 2 plus 5, 2 add 5, I'd put 2 of my fingers up on one hand and 5 on the other. So you can now see we've got 2 on one hand and then 5 on the other. But what we can do is simply count all the fingers that are up, and it shows us that 7 fingers are up altogether. So that's telling me 2 add 5 is 7. Now this might be a bit more of a slower process and take too much time, and obviously we don't want to be using our hands everywhere, but to start with, if you find it difficult to do these smaller sums, it's a good way to do it, and gradually what you'll find as you practice you'll be able to do it without your hands.